Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log out from all devices on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, all you need to do just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and click at sign in to create your account. If you already do have an account, all you need to do, just ignore all of that and log into your account, and let's get straight to Instagram. So as we said, we want to log out from all devices on Instagram. All we need to do, just go and of course launch Instagram, then go at your profile at the bottom right corner. Click at your profile there, then navigate to the menu icon. As you can see here, we have three lines on the top right corner. If you click on that, you will find here the settings option. All you need to do, just go and click at settings. Then after going to settings, all you need to do, just go and look for log out all accounts. So just go here to search and type log out. As you can see here, you have two options. You have to log out all the accounts or log out this account. So let's just click on X. If you scroll down, you'll find it anyway. So if you click on log out all accounts, if you are using too many accounts, as you can see here, I'm using 2 accounts. So just go to settings again. If I log out to all accounts, they will log out from 2 accounts. But if I click on the second option, log out this account, or this is just the name of the account, it will log out from this account. And you have of course the option of add or switch an account. But as we said, we don't want that. We want to log out from all devices and not all the accounts. All I need to do here, just go to my security here and click at login activity. Here, as you can see, you have here all the login and the location of the logins. So if you want to log out from all the devices, just go click here at the 3 dots of any or not the 3 dots, just click or just go and locate first the device that you want to log out and click this wasn't me. Then they will ask you to type your current password and they will ask you to create your password. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.